The Linear Tester 249 is one of the most multi-purpose testing machines ever. It is adjustable within a huge range of test forces and speeds. It's also able to apply single scratches as well as an extremely large number of adjustable to and fro double stroke testings. There's a huge range of testing tools available with the additional possibility of using individual ones. For various scratch tests. For testing the resistance against liquid media. For classic crock-meter tests. For special crock-meter tests according to BMW. For various kinds of abrasion tests. Although there's a huge range of scratch tools available, the user can also fix and use his own individual ones. Several sizes of test samples can be fixed by simply clamping on the unit's sled. For single scratches, a single hub is adjustable. There are several test speeds selectable, preset as well as freely adjustable. The test tip is fixed to the end of the load arm. The test force is adjustable up to 40 newtons in steps of 0.5 newtons. The height adjustment of the test tip with the vertical guide plate is quick and comfortable. The test tip is lifted up in its start position. Test tip comes down as soon as the sled turns its direction and comes back to the start position. The scratch force is changed accordingly. The sample can be shifted a little bit for the next trace. Starting the next scratching performance parallel to the first one with changed scratch force. And so on until there's no longer any trace visible. The MEK adapter allows users to test a sample's resistance against the influence of several liquid media like solvents, water, synthetic sweat, cleaning solution, and so on. It consists of a special high-dense felt plug fixed into a holder with a tube shaft for the convenient support of testing liquid. The MEK head is fixed to the end of the load arm. The desired number of cycles for to and fro double stroke testing is adjustable based on individual requirements. There are several test speeds selectable, preset as well as freely adjustable. The test force is adjustable up to 40 newtons in steps of 0.5 newtons. The felt plug can be conveniently wet through the shaft. The test begins by pressing the start button and runs until the number of adjusted cycles is fulfilled. a distinct impact of the solvent to the tested surface, as well as a colour transfer to the felt plug. The well-established classic crock meter works with a cylindrical head, stringed covered with defined white cotton cloth. It enables the user to realize the grade of possible color transfer from the tested material to the cotton fabric. In end user's reality, this is especially important for car drivers' fabric. The crocking cloth is easily fixed to the cylinder using two strong rubber rings. The crock meter set is fixed to the end of the load arm. The up and down guide plate has previously been removed. The crock meter head is placed onto the surface to be tested. The load arm has to be leveled horizontally. The test force is adjustable up to 40 newtons in steps of 0.5 newtons. The test begins by pressing the start button and runs until the number of adjusted cycles is fulfilled. The special crock meter head approved by BMW has a swivel axle to ensure the best close contact to the surface to be tested. Further, it allows a convenient linear fixing of the crocking fabric concerned. For individual requirements within abrasion test matters, in principle, an unlimited range of media can be fixed at the abrasion adapter. Fixing the desired abrasive media to the adapter simply by using some common double-sided adhesive tape. The test begins by pressing the start button and runs until the number of adjusted cycles is fulfilled. Some distinct traces are visible on the specimen, as well as some transfer to the abrasive media.